Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel.
What's up, Fancy Beauties and Bows? It's Gina coming back in here. We're gonna get a video done for you guys. This one is gonna be for Valentine's Day traditional look. So pink is coming to the table, okay? So I did order a dupe for the Masquerade Ball, the Juvia's Place palette, and this is what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see the pretty colors in there. So we're gonna play with this palette, and we're also gonna play with some glitter, of course. So I already have foundation on my face. My brows are already done. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. And let me see. I'm going to let's go ahead and set it, the lids that is. We're gonna go ahead and set the lids with some translucent powder. And I may just do one eye and then do the other one off camera. Not sure yet, but yeah, I just made a mess, but it's okay. So how you guys been doing? Hope everything's been going well. Y'all see all the controversy over the Tarte fiasco foundation. And yeah, everybody went in. Everybody went in on that. And I just want to say, it brought up some more controversy, and you guys know I like to try to stay out of that mess as much as I can, but it just sometimes I gotta say something, and this probably gonna be one of them times I gotta say something. Reason I don't like to say anything too much is because, you know, my platform is not big, it's not huge, and to be quite honest, I feel a certain kind of way about speaking up about things because I'm a smaller YouTuber, but I mean, I have feelings and thoughts just like anybody else, and so, you know, Tarte was not one of those brands that was at the top of my list to, you know, want to buy from. I like NARS, though I don't have any of their products, but I like all the reviews that I see about NARS. I am a fashion fair head. So, you know, I just gave away my age to those that are new to my channel. But you know, my mom used Fashion Fair. I use Fashion Fair. And that was, you know, the top makeup brand for women of color, you know, because they cater to us. They, you know, made us included in the foundation shades. And so that's who we gravitated towards. CoverGirl has always been there. Maybelline have just stepped their game up in the last, I want to say maybe 5 years. They've stepped up their game. Fenty Beauty, of course, came through and showed everybody how it's supposed to be done. So what the color I just went in was Morocco. And so, you know, everybody was on the bandwagon with the tape shape concealer, this, that, and the other. And so everybody heard that the foundation was coming out. And I was excited because I didn't get a chance to get the Tape Shape concealer. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just go ahead and get the foundation. You know, my purse straps are not as strapped as they have been. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. And so, you know, I was like, okay, let me see my people that I watch and see what they think. You know, Sandy, Jackie, you know, all those ladies, and see what's going on. So actually the first person I saw was Alyssa. I mentioned her before on my channel. Absolutely wonderful young lady. And so I saw her review first before I saw Jackie's, and then of course when Alyssa's came up, Jackie's came up. So I on the side over here. And so I clicked on there and they did a collab together. If you guys know Yoki, I watched hers as well. Hers came out, I say maybe a few days later, you know, after all the hoopla was going on. And so, you know, everybody spoke on it. Sandy spoke on it. I just saw hers yesterday. And so, you know, I agree with a lot of what these young ladies said. You know, I'm much older than these young ladies are. So I've seen makeup go through a lot of changes. You know, when I was coming up, when I was younger, around these young ladies' ages and younger, say 20, in my 20s, you know, late teens, when we had eyeshadow, we didn't have a base. And the darker you were, and back then I was darker. I was melon infused, baby. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times melon infused. And, you know, for me to put eyeshadow on, the colors didn't show up. So we've always had a struggle with getting, you know, colors to pop on us, or, you know, foundations to be the right shade for us. And most of us, we just didn't wear makeup because it was too hard. You know, you would see the other light-skinned sisters, the white people, the white girls, you know, with the pretty eyeshadow on, you know, lashes fluttering about. And we, put it bluntly, but we were always left out. Going in with this color here. After that, I'm gonna go in with this. So, I mean, yes, makeup has come a long way for us. Yes, it has. I'm not gonna take anything away from the companies that saw that our dollars matter. I mean, we spend close to $8 billion in the beauty industry. Hair, makeup, skin care. We like to look good as well. And, you know, I want to say thank you to those makeup companies that, you know, said, you know, we want to respect their dollar as well. You know, their money is just as green as anybody else's. So, with all that being said, you know, if there's companies out there that don't know how to make the formula or make the colors that are suitable for our skin tone, and, you know, a lot of people I watch, you know, they were saying that that the companies just don't know how to do it. But you make the lighter shades, so why? I mean, you have to figure out what their shades are, and even some of their shades are missing. But you still have more color ranges for them than you do for us. And we're just asking, you know, can you look out for us too? You know, even if you miss a shade or 2 or 3 or 4, but to just have only 3 shades, that's not nice. That's not nice. And everybody always want to say we complain about this, that, and the other. And it's not that we're complaining. We just want to be included. There's a difference. There's a difference between us complaining or someone complaining versus someone making corrective criticisms. So it's a win-win if you think about it. If you just go ahead and include us, you know, try to or use our information that we're giving to you. You know, the YouTubers that's coming on here that have a large platform, even the smaller ones like myself, listen to us. Take information that we're putting out here and use it to embrace us and to make more revenue for your company. Because at the end of the day, that's what you're in business for. You're in business to make money. So if you can, you know, figure out a way to get the colors as close as you can to us, you know, that would be awesome. You know, a lot of everybody was saying that, you know, they shut the comment section down. Have an open forum. You know, talk about things, and too, on our side as well, we have to know how to come with the suggestions. You know, bashing is not the answer, because it only is going to promote negativity and make us look a certain kind of way. And I don't want us to look a certain kind of way. We've looked that way and we've been stereotyped that way long enough. And it's just time for both sides to come together and say, you know what? Let's work together. Let's make money together. Let's look beautiful together. And just let's just be in love, you know, together. I mean, it's not that hard. It's really not that hard. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna go ahead, concentrate on this look so I can get it right for you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys thought about the whole situation about that. And I got a lot of new products coming up for you guys. I'm still working out the bugs on how I can, you know, upload more since I got the baby now. So yeah, just keep on watching and keep on working with your girl, okay? And being patient. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. So let's go ahead and finish this look.
Waking up, I'm taking chances tonight. I'm opening my eyes and I'm feeling alive. You give me all the strength that I need, and I wanna know if I can be by your side. Taking chances tonight. I'm opening my eyes and I'm feeling